Hi everyone, my name is Mannat and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I made 6 DIY school supplies. So in this video I customized my stationery stuffs basically. I am thinking of starting a series called as DIY school supplies series. I have also created a playlist for this. So for this I'll be making DIY school supply video every single month, like one video at least every single month. You can get a bonus video as well, like 2 videos in a month which are related to DIY school supplies. So that totally depends on me. So coming on to the customization of stationery stuffs, the first DIY which I made is a unicorn notebook decor. I decorated my notebook by making a paper unicorn on it. Should I share a photo with you? So yes, it is in tricolor and it has a silver glitter stripe on its left. I think the frills make it look little more adorable. So yes, I made it using 3 colors. I said that it is a tricolor, so that means 3 colors. Firstly, I used light blue, second neon pink, and the third one I used is purple color. All the 3 are vibrant colors. Also, you can make it with plain white papers, right, instead of using blue, pink and purple. So the second DIY is a eye cream notebook. Ice cream notebook. I made it using foam sheets. I made it on a diary. No, not a diary. I made it on a notepad. Coming on to the third one, it's a Jigglypuff pencil topper. So if you guys watch Pokemon, you must be knowing Jigglypuff. Obviously, it's not compulsory for you to make just the Jigglypuff pencil topper. You can make any cartoon character or any Pokemon character bookmark. Coming on to the fourth one, it's a unicorn desk organizer. So I made it using a plastic. I made it on a plastic container. You can even use tin cans, the steel tin cans. Pringle can will also do your job. So I covered the container with pink and blue glitter. I applied glue on the container and then I sprinkled pink and blue glitter on it. And yes, it doesn't take any time to dry. So yes, it is not a time consuming task. Coming on to the fifth one, it's a donut pencil topper. So I made it using memory foam. Memory foam means foam. What do we say to foam? Sponge. Yes, sponge is the correct word for it. So I made it using sponge. So I made 2 of them. So one is having golden cream on it. Golden cream? So I made 2 of them. One is having golden cream on it and the second one is having pink cream on it. Coming on to the sixth one, it's a Rapunzel notebook decor. I made it using purple glitter foam sheet. If suppose you are taking pink glitter foam sheet, then you can give it a Barbie look. So yes, this was about my DIY school supplies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. And yeah, thanks for watching.